Hey everyone! Welcome back to Everyday Hacks. If you've been feeling overwhelmed by the mess, this is your 5-minute reset. We're tackling our space together, one small step at a time. So grab your supplies, set a timer, and let's get started. First, let's focus on clearing the surfaces. Pick up anything that doesn't belong. Papers, dishes, random items, and either put them away or toss them in a later basket to deal with after this quick clean. This instantly makes the space feel less chaotic. Next, grab a microfiber cloth and an all-purpose cleaner. Wipe down the surfaces you just cleared. Pay special attention to areas that collect dust or smudges, like your coffee table or kitchen counters. A quick refresh goes a long way. To finish, tidy up the details. Fold your blankets, fluff the pillows, and do a quick vacuum or sweep if needed. And finally, add a touch of freshness with your favorite room spray or a candle. Super hack. Vacuum high-traffic areas first if you're short on time. And just like that, your space is clean and refreshed in just 5 minutes. Small changes really make a big difference. If you cleaned along with me, let me know in the comments what you tackled today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more everyday hacks. See you in the next video. Happy cleaning!